Working on crawling, staying on the hands and the feet. Crawling doesn't happen because you're standing on your hands and knees. What it is going on is too many milestones have been missed, and now you're looking for a milestone to happen, and it's awkward. It's not optimal, and that's what you're looking for. So rolling over wasn't great. Did not go to both sides. Independent sitting was there, but she rolls to her belly and pushes up. Doesn't come to sitting from her back. There's no way with those pelvic and spine movements that those movements didn't grab her feet right. And now with her crawling, what it is she's too top heavy. And so, it's really hard to crawl. She should be going through the spine, right? And that's what the problem is. And so it's just exhausting, and she's going to go down lower quicker. She's trying. I'm not worried about the cognitive. It's the movement that's affecting her. And that's where you're seeing that. The coming to sitting course is only in the parent support program, the child or the baby. And work on that. I'd go back and look at the rolling over course as well to work on that spine crossing midline. And it's a free course on my heavy head. So those are the 3 things that I would look at. But she's really top heavy. I mean, it should be like this, right? And again, and she's just trying to stabilize. So the higher you go, the stability is harder. If you're down in your elbows, you know what I mean? It's the same movement, but it's easier to keep stable. And that's what's going on. Again, we don't have enough good foundational movements, and now we're expecting to pile on. And the complications are really starting to show. So we want to build a better foundation. And that's a solution to your problem. And that's where I would go first. I wouldn't mind a video in 2 weeks to see how she's doing, or if you have problems, working with it. That's what's nice about the support program, and go that route. Thanks.